Shit. Yeah, we got the car out today. But we need some air. This motherfucker to the floor. Well, it looks fine. But we're gonna see if this air shit work. None of them work, of course, never in the winter. But got that motherfucker right there. Intake temp 64 degrees. It better be low because this motherfucker is cold as shit out here, man. Y'all see that shit? It's cold as a motherfucker. Battery voltage 14. Wideband is good. Engine coolant, we good. We not rising or nothing. That means our coolant hoses to the turbo is working perfectly fine. No errors in the line. And now the only thing left to do is check if it hits boost, and that's under map. So, yeah. Let's see if that goes to 9. Right now it's in the negatives because right now we're not driving. But once we start getting into boost, you'll see it increase. So, yeah. Let me just... see how much boost this bitch hit. It's hella ice out here. I might take it down the street. See how much boost. See how much boost. See how much boost. I'm gonna go third gear. See how much boost in third. Get a little rev going. All right, let's see how much boost. I'm gonna go second gear and then third. See what she do. Second and third. I know it's gonna take me to the end of the block, but see how much boost we can get. Well, we got, it should read 9. Still hitting boost cut, but we can still give it some gas. I'm gonna hit it down this strip right here. bit of sun before we get it tuned all over. My brakes. Ooh! Yeah, that's another thing too. I noticed. I gotta upgrade the brakes on this shit. My brakes trash. Let me see if this shit's still running. Oh, I gotta upgrade the brakes. You feel me? So I can smell the brakes going right now. I'm gonna just cruise around and let it cool off. It smells like nothing but fish. Not fish, but like brake material, like. And I've been braking hard, so. Let me get out the car. Let's take a look outside the car and see. I'm gonna leave this shit running. Let's just take a look real quick. Make sure everything's good under the hood. Yo, it's the car, yo. Make sure there's no leaks. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all. I can't wait for this shit to be fully tuned and I can really like upshift, downshift. But right now it bogs when I downshift. It bogs because the computer can't really read the AFR, so it's sending it straight into boost cut. But we did dial second gear in pretty good. Second gear was dialed in pretty good. But third and fourth, you gotta like shift earlier, so you feel me, so it don't boost cut, because in the middle boost cut it's not going. Yeah, I can't really explain, but if you understand, you know, you feel me. If you know, you know. Boost cut issues. If you know, you know. Boost cut. You feel me? But yeah, we about to let it eat right now. block. I get some new tires too, and some power steering fluid. Yo, when your car sit for so long, like that shit really fuck up your tires, bro. My shits look flat. I put air in all, they got flat spots. So, but yeah, one more time around the block. One more time for the one time. I'm gonna get on it real hard this time. Let me go put this shit up for somebody call the cops on me. Pop the hood and check something. Hopefully we ain't fuck up the car. I gotta do the valve adjustment. Alright, yeah. That's it. That's it for the vlog. Let me just make sure. Alright, yeah, it starts, but I don't know, it sounds a little louder. Let's just double check it. Smell of brakes. Brakes need to be changed ASAP.